What's that noise? Is that a frog? Or is that a toad? Definitely a toad. Welcome to the short video on a Kupo toad male adapter for the toad in the hole quick release from Freefly systems. These adapters allow you to quickly remove your Freefly Movi from the handle assembly and mount it on any other piece of grip gear such as a C-stand, jib, tripod, car mount, etc. Wherever you have a toad on standby, you can mount your Movi in a matter of seconds without the need for tools. The male toad adapter is machined from 6061 T6 aluminum, turning heads with its black anodized sleek finish. Let's mount a toad onto our C-stand. Safety first. Let's bag our C-stand so it stays put. Next, screw the 3/16 thread of our baby ball head adapter into the bottom of the toad until snug. Now we'll slide the baby receiver from the ball head adapter onto the baby 5/8 inch top pin of our C-stand. Now we will also mount a toad onto our jib. Screw the toad adapter onto the 3/16 thread on the end of the jib. Let's show you just how easy it is to move our Freefly Movi from the C-stand to the jib. Release the clamp by pulling the lever away from the toad. Press and hold the secondary release button. With the button depressed, lift the Movi rig up vertically to remove it. Place the whole of the toad in the hole system over the toad on the jib. Lower the Movi until you hear a click. The toad in the hole system can be mounted and rotated anywhere around its 360-degree axis. Once you have the Movi pointed where you'd like, push the clamping lever towards the toad to secure it in place. If you own or rent a Movi from Freefly systems on a regular basis, make sure you have a couple of these bad boys in your grip bag. As you can see, they will save you precious production time and make your life that much easier. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.